The path to financial growth. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grow their wealth effortlessly while others struggle to make ends meet? The secret isn't luck, it's strategy. Today, we'll explore the key principles of financial growth that anyone can apply, starting right now. The first step is mindset. Your money habits begin with how you think about money. Successful people treat money as a tool, not a goal. They focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gratification. This means saving, investing, and continuously learning. Ask yourself, am I making choices that grow my wealth? Or am I just spending to feel good for a moment? Shifting your mindset is the foundation of financial growth. Next, focus on income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Find ways to diversify, side hustles, investments, or even creating digital products. But income alone isn't enough. You need to make your money work for you. Invest in stocks, mutual funds, or even in learning new skills that increase your earning potential. Compound growth is real. Even small investments today can grow exponentially over time. Discipline is non-negotiable. Track your expenses, avoid unnecessary debt, and create a budget that prioritizes growth. A simple rule: save at least 20% of what you earn, invest 10%, and spend wisely with the rest. Financial freedom isn't about earning more, it's about managing what you already have and letting it grow systematically. Finally, never stop learning. Read books, follow experts, and stay updated on financial trends. Growth isn't just about money, it's about personal development. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more opportunities you can create for yourself. Remember, wealth isn't a destination, it's a journey. Small, consistent actions compound into massive results over time. So, whether you're just starting or looking to level up, focus on mindset, multiple income streams, discipline, and continuous learning. Apply these principles consistently, and your financial growth will follow naturally. Start today, because the best time to grow your wealth is now.